What if you could understand your body's readiness for the day, the quality of your sleep, and your overall health, all from something you barely notice you're wearing? This is the new Nova Smart Ring. This is not just a ring, it's a powerful, 24/7 health companion disguised in a seamless, aerospace-grade titanium body. Before we get into details of what this ring can do, first let's do a quick unboxing to see what's inside. So let's talk about the design. The Nova Smart Ring body is forged from aerospace-grade titanium, which makes it very durable and lightweight. It weighs just about 3 grams. It's so light you barely notice you are wearing a ring after a while, and it's also scratch-resistant to a certain degree. In terms of specifications, this smart ring comes with Bluetooth 5.1 and an IP68 rating for water resistance, which means you can take it swimming or do your daily activities without worrying about water damage. It has a lithium polymer battery that fully charges in about 1 hour. Nova claims a battery life of 3 to 4 days, but in my own testing, I consistently got around 4 days on a full charge, which is totally on par with their claims. Now, in terms of features, after downloading the Nova Smart Ring app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and syncing it to your ring will send all the health information it has gathered to your phone. The Nova Smart Ring can fairly accurately track your physical activities such as steps taken, calories burned, and so on. It also has a sport mode and keeps your daily, weekly, and monthly exercise records. It has a photoplethysmography sensor that tracks your sleep to give you accurate information about how well you have been sleeping. It also rates the quality of your sleep and gives you some pointers on the best time to sleep based on your sleep record, and so on. It also monitors your heart rate and your heart rate variability. It also has SpO2 to monitor your blood oxygen. The ring can also measure stress levels. In conclusion, after daily driving this smart ring for about a month now, I will be rating the features and overall quality of this ring on a scale from 1 to 10 based on my personal experience. First off, the build quality. With its titanium build and the IP68 water resistance that ensures durability, I'm rating this Nova Smart Ring an 8.5 out of 10. There is a more expensive sapphire version of the ring that is more scratch resistant. In terms of sleep tracking, the Nova Smart Ring gets 9 out of 10. It's fairly accurate, and I like how it shows me details of my sleep and overall sleep quality. In terms of step counting, I find this a little buggy. I don't know if it's related to the app, but it sometimes doesn't get an accurate number of steps for short distance walks, so it gets a 6.5 out of 10 here. As for SpO2, for blood oxygen monitoring, it gets 8.5, it's on par with my expensive rugged watch. The heart rate monitor and heart rate variability are fairly accurate, and it gets 8 out of 10, but heart rate variability needs to be more accurate. Currently, this ring costs around $200, but I have put links in the description for coupons and discounts I can find on their website, and you can get about 10% off if you order it as soon as possible through the link in the description below. What do you think about the Nova Smart Ring? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you like content like this, it will be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.